welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. All right, today we are doing holographic pop socket, like pop sockets. They're not actually pop sockets because we have blank ones on shopauntitay.com, which are a different brand, but they're really good and they're great for these DIY projects because they're not super expensive. But we're gonna be using my holographic sticker paper, which comes in two different ways. There's the sample pack, which comes with 3 different holographics and you get 3 sheets of each, or there's the 10 pack of the unicorn holographic, which we'll use those in this video, all of them. There's 3 different ones. So go to shopauntitay.com if you'd like to buy any of the printable sticker paper, and if you're a member, you will always get 20% off. But our sticker paper is really fun, and so we're gonna do a pop socket today. Let's get going. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and printed out 2 different types of pop socket ready images onto our holographic sticker paper, which I'm obsessed with. So I have these printable templates, or you can find just an image on Google and print it as well, which is what I found here. And this was just super cute. I couldn't pass it up. So then all you do is take your blank socket and flip it upside down and trace out where you want it, and then just using scissors you can cut out any spot on the picture that you want to go onto your socket. And this is kind of thick, so just try to go in one swoop all the way around, because when you like let the scissors off of the paper, sometimes it can be hard to get the scissors back on and get a smooth cut around the circle. But once you have it cut out, you can just peel off the back and place it onto your socket. And it is super easy. This is a super fun gift that you can give or just make for yourself to have on the back of your phone. I love these things for filming, for anything, because I can just pop a socket holder, which you can get on Amazon, onto a wall or your car mount. And this is the other printable version that I made. It's the template and it's free to our members. And this is our Mickey ear pop socket, which is another video, so check that out if you want to know how to make that one.